Want to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra instantly with your fingerprint? Let me show you how to set up finger lock the right way on Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. So first you have to open up your settings app on your phone and scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. And from here select screen lock and biometrics. Then go to fingerprints. Now, if you haven't set a backup security lock yet, your phone will ask you to create one. You can choose a PIN, password, or pattern, and in this case, I will select PIN. So you have to enter your PIN and confirm it, then tap on Done. And now from this page, you have to tap Continue twice, then select Register. Now follow the on-screen instructions to add your fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor and lift it repeatedly, slightly moving your finger each time so the phone can capture all parts of your fingerprint. And keep doing this until the progress reaches 100%. So once your fingerprint is successfully added, you can choose to add another finger or simply tap Done to finish. And let's shake it. See, you can quickly unlock your phone only using your fingerprint. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.